go to the table that they presented. Then Lerner I tried to send it, even though they said do not send it. I'm not sure what to do. Maybe just table. We'll see. So it says pare food cooked in a clean meat pot. So pare food cooked in a clean meat pot. So Ashkenazic. So first scenario, Ashkenazi custom ben yama pot. So meaning food that are cooked in a clean pot, right? That is was used for the last 24 hours. So number one, eating with dairy food prohibited. Okay. Initially cooking to eat with dairy prohibited. Placing while hot on a dairy dish permitted. Right. So I mean he said dairy dish. I think that he meant on a cold dairy dish. And last one, if inadvertently mixed with dairy food permitted. So Ashkenazic is, you see, only after the fact. Now the next one. So we're talking about same scenario. Pare food cooked in a clean meat pot. Okay, and the situation is non-benyama pot, right? Non-benyama pot meaning was not used for 24 hours, and foods also not sharp. It's like our spaghetti. So eating with dairy food is permitted. So meaning because it was not used for past 24 hours. Next one, initially cooking with the dairy prohibited if another pot is available. So, but if no pot is available, so we said after the fact, let him do it. Next one, placing while hot on a dairy dish is permitted. So because once again, we're talking about a pot of food that was cooked in a meat pot, for example, that was not used for more than 24 hours. That's it. And last one, if inadvertently mixed with dairy foods, as we said, I mean, if it was permitted in the case of benyama pot, needless to say, it permitted in the case of non-benyama pot. So now we're going to Sephardic custom. Okay, so Sephardic custom, non-benyama pot, meaning, benyama pot, meaning this spaghetti was cooked in a meat pot that was used in the last 24 hours, according to Sephardic custom. So, okay, so they say eating with the dairy food permitted, no problem, right? Next one, initially cooking to eat with dairy prohibited if another pot is available. Okay, even for Sephardim. Next one, for Sephardim, placing while hot on a dairy dish. So I mean, it did not say, but we know it's a cold dairy dish, permitted, no problem. Okay, meaning this spaghetti, right? Continue. Next one, if inadvertently mixed with the dairy food, of course, it is permitted. So next scenario, according to Sephardic custom, non-benyama pot. Non-benyama pot, right? Okay, meaning that was not used for past 24 hours. The first scenario, eating with dairy food is permitted. Initially cooking to eat with dairy is permitted. Okay, so both of them for Ashkenazic would be prohibited. Just so you know. Next one. No, I apologize. I apologize. No, it's not true. No, not true. So even for Ashkenazi custom, since it is this what is it? This pot is not benyama, meaning that was not used for past 24 hours. It's exactly the same for Ashkenazic and Sephardic custom, right? Placing while hot on a dairy dish also permitted, same as Ashkenazic. And if inadvertently mixed with dairy foods, right, also permitted. So let me see what's the difference. So the difference is in initially eating with dairy food. That was if it was the design. So according to Ashkenazi custom is forbidden. According to Sephardic custom is permitted. Okay, So that's the difference. And one more scenario where the difference, again, non-binyama pot, right, that was used in the last 24 hours, and the scenario initially cooked to eat with dairy. So that's okay. So according to Ashkenazi custom, it's prohibited. Again, prohibited. According to Sefardic custom, it is prohibited if another pot was available. So basically, why you put yourself in this questionable situation?